Are you a job seeker looking for a high-paying job? Are you curious about how top brands use data to reach the right audience at the right time? Want to master the skills that make you a standout candidate in the digital advertising world? Ready to learn the art of automated, data-driven ad campaigns that deliver results? Then watch this video till the end to explore one of the high-paying hidden jobs. What is programmatic advertising? Programmatic advertising is an advanced method of digital advertising that leverages automation, data, and artificial intelligence to buy and manage ads in real time. This technology enables businesses to precisely reach their target audiences, optimize ad spend, and drive greater ROI. Why to learn programmatic advertising? Learning programmatic advertising opens up exciting career paths in the digital advertising space, with high-demand roles like programmatic specialist, media buyer, campaign manager, and ad operations analyst. As companies increasingly invest in data-driven advertising, expertise in programmatic advertising is highly valuable. Entry-level roles in programmatic advertising typically offer salaries ranging from 2.5 to 3.6 LPA, with experienced professionals earning upwards of 6 to 12 LPA, depending on expertise and responsibilities. Programmatic advertising skills are in demand worldwide, including India, with thousands of job listings on platforms like 60,606 jobs in Naukri and 1,956 jobs in LinkedIn. Learning programmatic advertising opens up in India alone and in abroad, ensuring a robust job market for skilled professionals in this field. Who can learn programmatic advertising? Non-tech individuals looking to enter the digital marketing field without a technical background. Digital marketing professionals seeking to expand their skill set in automated advertising and data analytics. Students interested in pursuing a career in advertising and marketing without extensive coding knowledge. Career changers want to transition into a growing industry with ample opportunities. Marketing managers aim to enhance their understanding of programmatic strategies for better campaign management. Freelancers and entrepreneurs looking to optimize their advertising efforts and achieve higher ROI. Recent graduates seeking to make their resume stand out in a competitive job market. Anyone passionate about leveraging technology to improve marketing outcomes and drive business growth. Ideal for job aspirants who are on a career break and looking to acquire in-demand skills to land high-paying jobs in the tech industry. Benefits of taking programmatic advertising training. Explore the top benefits of learning programmatic advertising. Gain expertise in programmatic advertising, a rapidly growing field that is increasingly sought after by employers in the digital marketing landscape. Equip yourself with the knowledge to elevate your career prospects, opening doors to roles like programmatic specialist, media buyer, and campaign manager. Benefit from competitive salaries, with entry-level positions often starting from 5 to 7 lakhs, and experienced professionals earning upwards of 15 to 20 lakhs or more. Participate in practical, hands-on training that simulates real-world scenarios, allowing you to apply concepts directly to programmatic campaigns. Learn how to leverage data and analytics to create targeted advertising strategies that maximize return on investment for businesses. Stay updated with the latest trends and technologies in digital advertising, ensuring your skills remain relevant in a constantly evolving market. Connect with industry professionals and fellow learners, expanding your professional network and increasing your chances of job placements. Why to learn programmatic advertising at Kandra Digital? Expert instructors learn from industry professionals with extensive experience in programmatic advertising, ensuring you gain practical knowledge and insights from the best. Comprehensive curriculum. Our course covers all aspects of programmatic advertising, including strategies, tools, and real-world applications, equipping you with the skills needed to succeed in the field. Hands-on training. Engage in practical, hands-on sessions that allow you to apply concepts directly to real-life scenarios, enhancing your learning experience. Networking opportunities, connect with like-minded peers and industry experts, expanding your professional network and increasing your chances of job placements. Career support, benefit from dedicated career services that assist you in finding job opportunities, preparing for interviews, and crafting your resume. Flexible learning options, choose from a variety of learning formats, including online and in-person classes, to fit your schedule and learning preferences. Certification, earn a recognized certification upon completion of the course, boosting your resume and making you stand out to potential employers. Up-to-date content, stay current with the latest trends and technologies in programmatic advertising, ensuring you are equipped with relevant skills for today's job market. Focus on ROI, learn how to create and manage data-driven campaigns that maximize return on investment for businesses, making you a valuable asset to employers. Supportive learning environment, experience a welcoming and supportive atmosphere where you can ask questions, collaborate with peers, and receive personalized feedback from instructors. Portfolio creation, work on real projects that not only enhance your learning but also help you create a standout portfolio, showcasing your skills to potential employers. Elevate your skills with Kandara Digital. Become an expert in programmatic advertising with a great portfolio. Gain exclusive career support and secure your path to a high-paying dream job. Enroll now. Start your programmatic advertising journey today. For more details, visit kandaradigital.com or contact 8296494941.